4 more pieces of rope. For the first part, you will take the far left string to make a 4 shape in front of the middle 2 strings. Then you will take the far right string to make a 4 shape behind the middle strings. You will see in the video that then you pull each end on each side through the 4 shape you created. You'll pull both ends at the same time, leaving the 2 middle strings alone. You'll pull the knot tight to the top. This is just the first half of square knot. The other half is exactly the same, except you'll switch, bringing the far left string behind and the far right string in front. This is what a full square knot looks like. Let's watch a few more. With each square knot, you'll start with the left rope in front and the right rope in back, and then you'll switch for the other half.